Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're experiencing lag or stuttering with Marvel Rivals on your PC, you're in the right place. Let's fix it quickly. Let's dive in. First, close background applications. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the task manager and end task using lots of CPU, memory, or disk space. Next, update your graphics drivers. Identify your GPU via the NVIDIA control panel or AMD Radeon settings or in Device Manager. Download the latest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD's website. Install and restart if needed. Now, adjust your in-game settings. Open Marvel Rivals and go to Settings. Lower graphics to medium or low. Adjust the resolution and disable VSync. Apply and restart the game. Next, optimize system performance. Check your system updates under Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Adjust power settings in Control Panel. Power options to high performance. Clean up disk via Properties on your system drive. Defragment your HDD if needed. Check your internet connections. Test your connection on speedtest.net. Restart your router or use an Ethernet connection for stability. Verify game files if using Steam. Right-click Marvel Rivals in your Steam library. Go to Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. If all else fails, reinstall the game. Uninstall Marvel Rivals via Control Panel. Programs and features. Reinstall from your platform. Hope these steps help. Drop a comment if you need more assistance. Like, subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching!